Hey guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video I'm going to show you something that if you own a house or even if you rent a house in Canada, you should definitely do this. So guys, if you're going to rent a house or if you're going to own a house or you see a house, always take careful look at fire alarms, smoke alarms, whatever you call it. And in most of the regions now it's mandatory to install electric ones because battery ones like battery die and you never know. So for electric ones, like for example this one, this is quite old but still working. Push and hold to test weekly. So you should test them regularly to see if they really work or not, because in case of a real emergency, if you don't get the alarm, that could be catastrophic for you and your family. So do not forget to do this and do it every week to safeguard yourself and your family. Thanks for watching this video, guys.